Hi guys.
It's snowing!
It's snowing. It's snowing and it's coming down harder. Why? Why is there snow? Just kidding. I kind of like it.
Yeah, it's nice. I like it.
So we're going grocery shopping. We gotta go to Target. Layla needs new shoes. What else? I forgot what we needed for like, remember I was like, oh, are we out of that? And you're like, yeah, oh, we're out of coffee. We're out of like everything. We're out of like everything. So, yeah. Got lots of errands to run. Layla's with my mother. Thanks, mother. Ooh, this makes me so nervous, driving this down next to people.
Next to other cars?
Yeah. Don't like it. Don't like it.
Would you rather be walking?
Hell no. Did I ever do that? It's always the young people.
Fun.
Yeah, it's always the young. It's always like teenagers that don't mind it so much. It's crazy how the older you get, the lazier you get. I did everything when I was a teenager.
You're not even old yet. What are you
I know! I feel like I'm like 35. Low-key. I feel like I'm 35. I look so young when I have no makeup on.
Yeah.
Everyone thinks I'm like 15. Sure. I'll take it. Little date day to go to grocery shopping.
Grocery shopping date? This is the lamest date.
It's my favorite.
Oh.
It's my favorite. I love going grocery shopping, and I love when you're with me.
Oh, yeah.
Because every time Layla comes, you like follow her wherever she goes.
Yeah, because you don't.
Because we are grocery shopping, not like
That's
running
why you
around
do the grocery
store.
shopping. I take care of the kid.
No, we need to do that as a family. Everyone. I don't know how my mom did it. She just took all of us grocery shopping 24/7.
Did she? You all went together?
I guess. I don't remember.
What do you mean you don't remember?
I don't remember little stuff like that. I just remember like.
What do you remember?
No, because when I was old enough to watch the kids, we just stayed home, I guess.
Yeah.
God bless.
You like that better?
Well, I didn't like grocery shopping when you only grocery shop for vegan stuff.
Gross.
Basically. Oh, that's Mama. Guys. So much work. Just not gonna talk about anything.
What?
No substance. No conversation. Conversational. What am I trying to say? No.
You're saying you don't want it any?
No, I'm asking you if we're gonna have it. What am I trying to say?
I don't know if you're asking for it or saying let's not do it.
Okay, guys, y'all, Asif needs to learn how to drive in the snow all over again, apparently, because you was going way too fast.
What?
Yeah, you are, because if you have to brake that hard, that means you're braking too soon.
False.
Y'all, it's crazy how when you ask your like subscribers and followers to like a photo, how they come through.
Why do you have to tell them to like it though? Like, why aren't they just liking it normally?
Because maybe they don't see it in the feed because of the stupid
algorithm.
Yeah.
So what are you talking about?
So like, you know, in Instagram stories, I'm like, post a new photo, and then they go to your page, and they're like, oh, cool.
And then you got more likes because of that?
I think that's why, because the other ones, it doesn't make any sense.
How many did you get on that?
Like 7,000?
Oh.
That's like huge for me.
Yeah.
I look like a turtle. Ew, that looks so gross. Ew! I'm like drooling.
Slobber on yourself.
Guys, I have like eyebrows. I have brow gel, tinted brow gel. I have mascara and liquid lipstick on. That's it. And moisturizer. I just have moisturizer. It's not even tinted moisturizer. I should have tried the new tinted moisturizer that I got in the mail the other day. But I didn't. It's probably so annoying. I was looking at the vlog footage from my birthday.
What did we do? Oh.
We went and got
donuts?
the big Tex ass.
And?
And when I was talking like this, it was so annoying.
But it didn't stop you from doing it, huh?
No, but like when I watch it back, that's when I realize how bad I sound.
It sounds like her.
No, it doesn't.
It's supposed to sound
No,
bad.
hers is so much better. She's so good. Seriously. I love when she says that. Lipstick. All I have on is lipstick. That's all. That's all I have on. This is a private Jewish school.
Is it?
Yeah, I've seen the little kids play. It's really nice.
Is it like a real school or it's like a
No, I think
a
it's
Sunday school type of thing?
No, I think it's a real school. What is this, a nursing home?
Looks like it.
I low-key want to work in a nursing home.
You used to.
That doesn't count, Asif. I was
What?
there for like a month. Found out I was pregnant. I was like, bye. Bye. Bye.
Did you like it though when you did work there?
No, because I didn't like that position. I want to be like a secretary or like,
What do you mean secretary?
yeah, you know, front desk chick in
No.
a nursing home.
Is that a thing?
I think so. That's what I want to do.
Receptionist?
Yeah, I want to be a receptionist, or I want to, I don't know, you know where you can go and just like learn about, I don't know.
Learn about old people?
Yeah, I guess.
What do you mean? Like just go talk to them?
I wonder if anyone's done that, if anyone's written a book about nursing homes and just the different stories of all the different, like shortened life stories of all these different people.
That would be interesting.
That would be so, like Humans of New York, but
Humans of nursing homes?
humans. Should I start that? I'm gonna put this in the vlog, but mute out that whole conversation
What do you mean?
so that nobody can steal my
Then just
idea.
don't edit, just edit that part out.
Oh my god, guys. Me and Asif came up with my dream job.
That's your dream job?
Not really. My dream job is to be a lady that lunches, which,
That's not a job.
for the most part,
That's retirement. That's the
my
that's
dream
the
job
opposite
is.
of a job.
Yeah, you're right. My dream is to retire, to be able to retire doing what I do, which is basically what I've done. Anyways, no. My dream is to retire and like do that, I guess.
Yeah.
Yeah. Actually, I think I would love to do like what Esma, the lady that's putting on this event.
Make events?
Yeah.
Really?
Hell yeah.
I'm shocked.
But I'd want to enjoy it, you know?
There's
So-
no way you could do that. That's a super high stress, high like organizational skills job. I feel like that's not you at all. No offense.
I'm going to Target first. Layla
Oh,
needs.
so I should go straight?
Whichever
Which
way you
do I
go to Target.
Oh, yeah,
straight. Oh my god, did we miss the bubble? Y'all, it's coming down. Oh my
really
god. It's coming down, y'all. Look. Look, guys. It's so snowy.
Come back out.
So cool. So cool. Oh my god. So cold. Where's the water? Ugh. I not go in the automatics? I hate when that happens. Should we get a buggy? We're like really skinny. Oh. Why is it that Target's like not with the trends?
With what trends?
Like sunglass trends. Nobody cares about these sunglasses right now. They look all the same. These look like the same sunglasses. Except for these.
That's horrible. That's trendy right now?
Yeah.
That's horrible.
Why? You don't like them?
It looks like the...
Looks like the Beatles era.
No, it doesn't.
Yes, it does.
It looks like the Matrix era.
It's so ugly.
Like those are the glasses that were cool in the Matrix.
Okay.
Like in the early 2000s.
So that's all they, that's what I'm saying. Like they can't keep up with the trends. These are ugly.
I like these kind.
Who would wear Hello Boys?
It's for the hoes.
Hi guys. We didn't really vlog Target. Why don't we vlog Austin?
I don't know. There's nothing exciting happening.
Yeah, nothing. Like they didn't have what we were looking for. Except they did have the foundation I was looking for.
We didn't just like walk around and look at fun stuff and
That's true.
play around.
We're kind of like in and out.
Yeah.
Oh my god, it's snowing.
Really snow.
So hard. Look at that. Look y'all, it's snowing. It's a winter apocalypse. It's so quiet when it's snowing.
It is. It's like everything's muffled.
The Ice Age must have been like so quiet. But we're going to the grocery store and we're gonna vlog there, okay, Austin? We have to vlog at the grocery store. So that's the best part. People, that's where I go crazy. And people love to see what you buy. Cause they're nosy. Just kidding. I love watching what people get, like grocery-wise. Can you unlock? I'll show you my Target vlog when we get home. Austin, unlock!
I unlocked it.
No, you didn't. Oh my god. Now we look like Eskimos.
It's cold. Are we gonna go to Petco?
Oh no.
What do we need to get?
We need to find like a farmer that sells hay.
You don't want to go to Petco?
No. Do you?
Kinda.
For what? Just to see all the new. Okay, I want to go to Bed Bath & Beyond, low-key.
I'll drop you there.
I'm so excited. Why? You don't want to go with me?
No. I'll come find you after I'm done. I'm not gonna be that long.
Okay. I probably won't either. Do we need anything? Should we buy a waffle maker or not?
I don't know. It sounds kind of delicious, but...
Or a panini maker?
Yeah, panini makers more.
Really?
Yeah, because I'm not trying to eat any sugar.
But waffle isn't sugar!
Syrup is sugar? Syrup is like pure sugar.
That's true! But it's so good! And Layla loves breakfast!
Okay, then get one. I don't care.
I want one of
do
each.
both. You get like the...
I want one of
like
each.
the George Foreman one you can transform.
That
into
is so
both.
annoying. That's all Miranda sings does.
Are you taking your camera with you?
Yeah.
Okay, to unhook it. You're about to get out.
Oh my god, I'm about to get out. That means I have to take you guys with me. It's snowing, like really badly. Okay, I'm going. Patient. So I think I'm gonna buy this one because I want a Belgian waffle maker. And then this Pastel Cuisinart. I think I'm gonna get this one. Panini press. Here we are again at the Judgy King Supers. It's King Supers, it's so judgy.
So snowy.
So snowy, so judgy. So judgy, so snowy. Still can't believe I haven't put gas in my car. Give me gas in my car. Why do you
That's why I always like to go to King Soopers because you get 30 cents off. It's the same price for premium as regular at anywhere else.
Why? What's the point of using premium though?
It's better for your engine. And your engine is a high compression engine.
Why didn't you tell me this though?
Because I usually get the gas.
Why haven't I been putting premium in my car?
Because it's really expensive.
Oh my god.
At least, you know,
guys,
every other time.
So excited. I got a panini maker, got a waffle maker, and I'm gonna make both tonight.
We should make fried chicken and waffles.
No, that sounds gross.
Oh.
We should have gotten a fryer. My mom said she found a fryer in her basement.
Then why we should have bought one?
I don't know. She's gonna give us
gross.
one. Ew, like you're. Oh my god, that was so gross.
It's probably gross.
Okay, guys, we're going in the grocery store. See you. Gotta get the fresh baked bread because it's fresh. See the stain? I remember as a kid I always had apples with worms in it.
Hashtag Morocco life.
Yeah, is that why? Yeah, you're right. Because they don't have pesticides. These are cleaning. Now it's probably even more pesticides than the US. You know. I just love the way strawberries are. Like too much sugar. Will you pick them? You pick the avocados. Too much work.
How many? 3?
Yeah. No, get more. We can make avocado toast. It's so good for you, you know? And I could eat that all day, every day. Haven't had asparagus in a while. The counter will bunch. I like the fat bunch. Does that mean if I make cake, you won't eat it?
Right. What do you got to say about that?
I don't like it. Oh, look! Mini morsels. Mini morsels. Mini. Pacific Cooler, where are you? How's it? Am I blind? Splash Cooler. Pacific Cooler, they changed the logo again. Again. All the big hot Cheetos. All the big, I'm so discriminative.
You don't eat the small ones?
No, I hate the small ones. I hate them so much.
You know they don't taste different, right? What, so you throw away half the bag?
Ideally.
Oh my god. What's wrong with you?
What? What's wrong?
Why would you do that? You wanna make what?
Mac and cheese sounds so good, isn't it? With like breaded chicken.
Uh-huh.
So good. It sounds so good. So what should we do? Sharp cheddar, what else? I like to switch it up, you know, like Colby Jack.
Whatever, just grab a bunch and some cream cheese also.
Is that your secret? It's a really good secret. You just tell them your secret. Would you do that?
No, do not get the
No, I
giant one.
am. I eat
Do
eggs
not.
every morning now. What
No,
are
you don't.
Yes, I do.
No, you don't.
Stop.
Here.
No.
Go home.
No.
Go home.
That's not. No.
You'll not get the big one.
I will, and you won't stop me, and that's what I'm going to do.
I'm gonna film the when you don't eat you only eat all the big ones.
That's fine.
And you throw away all the small ones.
Okay, you do that. But until then, go away. That's the love potion, apparently. I kind of want this.
Huh?
I don't know, but I need to get Vitamin Cottage and get some vitamins. Not today, but like eventually. Excuse me. Excuse me, sir. It's cold. It's cold. Guys, I have new music. I need to make a playlist just for like you guys. Got a new battery. New batteries, so my thing never dies. My camera never dies. My thing. Camera don't die. Hey. Hey. New battery, so my camera doesn't die. What I was saying was, my new vlogs are about to be so annoying. Because all I want to do is be Miranda sings all day.
What I was saying was, my new vlogs are about to be so annoying. Because all I want to do is be Miranda sings all day. It didn't even record. It didn't even record.
You're such a freak.
Okay, in we go. In we go. Okay, so we got home. Moma's here. Moma's here. Hi, Moma. Moma. People loved your Swiss German in the last video.
Hast du gut schlafen?
Yes. Yes, Queen. Yes. Okay. Thought I'd do a grocery haul because, you know, I love me some grocery hauls. Okay, I love watching grocery hauls. So, which I don't think most people don't make grocery hauls, which is quite unfortunate. Asif said no one ever. Okay, so why is the light messy? The light is fluctuating. Asif, the light! Fix the light!
Rest.
You need to rest? Said no one ever! Asif's being such a baby right now. Asif, the groceries are in the car.
You need to rest.
So we got some onions. We got some cheese. Don't judge me on my grocery haul, okay? We got some cheese. We got some French bread. Got blueberries. 2 for $5. Mushrooms because I want to make breakfast. We got a lot of salad. We got chopped chipotle cheddar salad. So the chipotle part is just like the dressing. The chipotle cheddar is the dressing. I don't typically use the dressings that are in the salad bags. I think Asif does, but I don't. Endless summer salad. Got some apples, Fiji apples, some jalapenos, English muffins because I'm starting to make breakfast more often, like eat breakfast more often. Sandwich bread, some Cheez-Its, Crispix, Layla's favorite cereal. The millions of eggs that Asif almost made me not buy, but I bought them anyway. Hot Cheetos. More hot Cheetos, more cheese, because I want to make mac and cheese. Mac and cheese, one makes me. Layla, look what I got! Chip clips. Chip clips.
I need to help you.
Hi guys.
Like the fitting. I got Tropicana juice, no pulp. Got some ice cream, mint chocolate chip. We got mini, what do you call these? Mini chocolate chips. Mini chocolate chips. Got, Layla likes these. Cream cheese. We had a lot of dairy in this house. It's really bad. We need to cut down on dairy. Tortillas! We got tortillas! Okay, so I got Chobani drinks. I love strawberry banana. I got this new pina colada one because they were out of the strawberry banana. These are really expensive, but they're so good, so I like to treat myself once in a while. And we love to support Chobani because they support immigrants. This is the maple syrup we buy. Sarah, this is the one you're supposed to be buying, not that Jemima. Not on Jemima. It's plastic. This is real. Grapes. You should go give Lily a stalk of celery. Carrots. More carrots. Bananas. Strawberries. We bought Madeleines from Costco. Green juice. Suja. Love Suja. This is my favorite salad. Mediterranean crunch chop salad. It's organic. Oh, we got avocado. I got these pesto bitchin' sauces. They're amazing. They're so good. All it is made with almonds, no preservatives. You can use them as a spread or a dip on your favorite savory food. This one's really hot. It's like habanero. So good. This one's pesto. It was 3 for $10. I like to eat these as a snack. They're really good. Got these at Costco too. Went to Costco for the peppers. We finally got a panini maker. I've always wanted a panini maker. And a waffle maker. We should have ice over for waffles tomorrow. So my friend Ashley swears by these, so I bought them too. Because like I said, sleep has been an issue for me. But Ashley loves these, so I thought I'd try them out. They have melatonin, L-theanine, and botanicals. They're just the Ollie Sleep vitamin gummies, dietary gummies. I don't really know. Got some, what do you call these? Socks. I got more of my favorite brow pencil. These are the Maybelline Brow Precise Micro Pencils in the shade Blonde. That's what I use all the time. And then I got this new one. It's the Maybelline Total Temptation Brow Definer in the shade Blonde as well.
And that is it for our shopping haul.
So yeah, Austin, are we done for the night? Smarty Pants, I got the Smarty Pants gummies. These are so good. I love them. I'm so glad I got these ones because I did not like that other brand.
No? Why?
But at least the kids' ones. It's got a really funny aftertaste. We do have gelatin. So, if you're anti-gelatin, about to eat some hot Cheetos. Probably make the paninis tomorrow. I'm too tired. Hot Cheetos. I love them so much. Okay, guys. Thank you so much for watching.
You're recording that one?
Yeah. Thank you so much for watching. I'll try not to be Miranda Sings in my next vlog. It's gonna be really hard because I'm just like addicted right now. I don't really care. But in all seriousness, thanks for watching. I hope you like this vlog. And until next time, I will talk to you guys later, inshallah. Assalamualaikum. Bye.